If you're ordering a food box, let me show you how to do it the right way. Hey there, Ryan here. Silly Reviews. I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your food box subscription, or in my case, a free trial. I have two-serving meals. Got a little deal here on HelloFresh.com. If you want to know how to get free food like this, look in the description for this video to check out the Silly Deals, Telegram channel, okay? What you want to do here to get your most out of your food box subscription or your free trial is to look for a sort and filter, okay? Most of these prepared or fresh meal delivery programs, they will have a way to sort through their menu. If we click on this one on HelloFresh, you're going to see calories low to high. What we really wanted was calories high to low, but all they offer is a low to high, and we can work with that. We're going to select that. What we're going to do, we're going to find the meals with the absolute most calories. That means more food, more sustenance, more calories for your money, or in this case, for free. And the amount of calories in the meals that are on the menu vary by a lot. So if we look at the lowest calorie meal, one selection I can get here only has 220 calories. Now, I'm getting these for free, but if I was paying for them and they were like $9.99 a meal, which most of them are, $10 for 220 calories, that is nothing. That is nothing. And this is just a little plate, like a little side dish of some veggies. We want the most calories. Now, since we couldn't filter from high to low, and there are 80 meals available on the menu right now, so because there's 80 meals, what we're going to do is we're just going to scroll all 80 of them and look at the calorie difference once we finally get to the end, okay? So we started at, now they're all the same price. Keep that in mind. Oops, they're not all the same price. Avoid those premium ones. The method still works, just avoid those upsells. One meal, 220 calories. Biggest daddy on the list, Persian style chicken with jeweled rice. That sounds pretty good. Can't say I've ever had Persian food before. Enjoy a multi-dish culinary tour of a new destination. 1,550 calories. 1,550 calories compared to that first offering of vegan polenta primavera, which only had 220 calories. Now we'll scroll back. This is the highest calories at 1,550, and it looks like something I would eat. So what is the next one? Is there another one that has nearly the same amount of calories that I can also put into contention here? 1,330, so that's significantly less. That's 220 calories less. That's that whole first meal less. And then you're talking sweet peach bacon burgers with roasted carrot and arugula salad. That sounds pretty good too. And then at 1,250, so that's another significant calorie jump. They're going to salmon cake. So I think we'll make the decision between the bacon burst, and that sounds good, or the Persian. And the difference is 220 calories. Also a difference of, oh my goodness, look at the protein difference, 70 or 47. The Persian's going to win out. We've got to add it. And look, it tells you $9.99 per serving. I've got 2 in my box that I'll get. So we're going to add that one. Boom. Then, of course, it wants you to add extras. We don't want that. So that's how you get the most for your money when you're doing one of these every plate, HelloFresh, whatever the other ones are. That's how you get the most out of your money. Okay? I hope you found this interesting. If you would like to try out HelloFresh or one of the other ones, potentially get free meals like I am, look in the description and you will see some links that you can use that should get you on your way to utilizing this method to get a lot of food for a little or no money. Okay, thanks for watching.